Hi everyone, it's me Krista. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today we're going to be unboxing the Artsnacks box for May 2021. Let's get right into what's inside. As always, we have our cute little Artsnacks logo sticker. This time it has a marbling effect on it. The sugary snack I got inside is some Smarties. The first bit of some actual art supplies we have are some Royal Talons Extra Fine Gouache. We got 2 tubes here. They are $10.75 retail each. This is a staff favorite. Oh my gouache, get ready for an opaque paint with a high pigment load. Royal Talons Extra Fine Gouache is a unique gouache that becomes more fluid as it's mixed, allowing you to cover large areas evenly. It dries quickly, within minutes, and uniformly to a velvety matte finish. You want to thin this paint with water to achieve smoothness and consistency. We've included 2 different colors in your box so you can explore a wide range of hues. I got a light blue and a vermilion color. Let me know in that comment section down below what colors you guys got. While swatching, I noticed it is pretty thick. You definitely want to use water. They did give us a paintbrush to apply the paint with. It is a KLoganArt Original Gold 9800 Series Gold Taklon brush. I got a dagger size 3/8. This is normally $11.99 retail. KLoganArt brushes are designed with the artist in mind, built to survive years of steady use. The original Gold 9800 series Golden Taklon brush has soft synthetic filaments ideal for all mediums. The Dagger version can create a variety of cool effects like scrolls, waves, and foliage. It's also great for painting clean edges. It's a larger size than I would expect, but it does seem like it can be pretty versatile. Artsnacks also gave us a pencil in this month's box. It is a General's Kimberly Graphite Pencil in 2B. It's normally 91 cents retail price. The Kimberly Graphite Pencil from General Pencil is a timeless classic. Known for its dark green finish and retro metal cap, this pencil is extra smooth and strong to the core. Its graphite is made from General's special family formula, while its body is constructed from sustained yield cedar wood. This is a softer lead pencil than I would think they would include in this. I have a feeling that if you sketch using it and put the paint over it, that they're going to mix together, but we'll see. The final item that was included is a Tombow Mono Dust Catch Eraser, and it's $1.59 retail price. You won't leave a mess behind with the Tombow Mono Dust Catch Eraser. Made from tacky polymer, this eraser catches dust as you erase. The residue sticks to the eraser rather than falling off and littering your workspace. That's everything we got in this month's box. I am excited to use the gouache. I might pull in some other gouache that I already have since I don't get to use them very often, and I do have an idea for the project, but we'll see if that works out next time. But with that, this unboxing and these swatches are pretty much done, so therefore this video is pretty much done. If you liked it, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, concerns, or you've used any of the items that came in this month's box, let me know all about that in that comment section down below. If you liked this video, please feel free to subscribe. I do art subscription box unboxings on this channel, a bunch of drawings, and a bunch of paintings as well. As always, thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day or nights to watch this video and listen to me ramble. I greatly appreciate it. Look forward to hearing from you guys, and you'll definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!